So the problem I had, and I'm sure many do, is when you take an attachment or an implement off, sometimes it doesn't sit down square to the ground, and sometimes it has a tendency to want to fall over. Well, you want it to be sitting there just like right it is right now when you come to pick it up the next time. It makes it so much easier to hook up. So this tiller had a tendency, kind of front heavy, had a tendency to want to go that way, want to fall forward. But I decided to make some stands for it, and let me just take you through that process. So I went down and found an old T-post. So I cut it off, and in this case I measured, and it's going to be about 19 inches to get that tiller sitting flat. So I cut it off at 19 inches. And now I'm gonna put a couple of feet on it. If it was just sitting down in the ground, those T-posts sooner or later when the ground gets soft are gonna go down in there. So I'm gonna put a couple of feet on it. So here they are finished. I didn't show you the welding, no sense in that. I'm not a good welder anyway. So I'm not like I'm gonna teach you anything. But with the feet on them, that will sit down in that front bar, keep it from falling forward. It's a little front heavy when you sit it on the hayed-out blocks. So there they are, and let me, I'll show you, give you a shot of them out in the pasture, doing their job. Well, I said I was going to take you down the pasture and set her down, but I've got some use for the tiller in a little while, and I don't want to take it off yet. So right here, it's on concrete, but that's how it's going to work. Hayed-out blocks is what I'll set it on. It sits a little too low unless I put something under it for the ease of hookup. It's just easier when I put some blocks under it. I could put some 4x4s probably or something like that under it, something that wouldn't rot, and it would probably be high enough. But anyway, this is what I measured for. Measured the supports there for the front supports. So set it down on that. Front supports keeps it from, when I unhook it, front supports keep it from falling over. Life is beautiful. Everything works out. Just thought I'd show you the little project. All right.